Hello and welcome. Cyware is excited to announce the launch of our latest built-in AI features within our Intel Exchange platform. The new Advanced Threat Intel Crawler, a browser extension that helps you convert web-based threat intel into structured intelligence with enhanced parsing and sub-10-second response times. With improved parsing capabilities and scalability for concurrent calls across multiple tabs, this tool is designed for speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Open the extension and click on the Scan Page button. This will scrape the entire page, parse the content, and fetch all the threat objects automatically. The title on the web page is populated as the report title. The parsed threat objects are categorized as new SDOs and matched SDOs. New SDOs represent objects not yet present in your Cyware Intel Exchange instance. Matched SDOs are objects already ingested from another source. You can easily select the legitimate threat objects and unselect the rest. If matched SDOs are selected, those objects will reflect this web extension as a new source. Next, by clicking Add Metadata, you can add TLP, description, and report relevant tags to the ingested objects, ensuring context and classification are retained. Finally, on clicking Create Intel, the entire alert is ingested as a report object, and all selected parsed threat data is added as related objects. Once done, you're redirected to the created report object within the Cyware Intel Exchange instance, where all ingested objects can be viewed under the Relations tab. And that's how easily and quickly you can transform web-based threat intelligence into actionable, structured insights, all with Cyware's Advanced Threat Intel Crawler. Moving on to the new Quick Add Intel feature. Quick Add Intel automatically parses any uploaded file, URL, or free text and intelligently extracts all threat data along with their types. This means you can quickly identify indicators, TTPs, threat actors, and more, without manually verifying or entering the data into Cyware Intel Exchange. We've created a PDF using SysAs alert on a particular threat actor. In Quick Add Intel, under the File Upload section, we can upload the PDF that needs to be ingested. After uploading, click on the Extract button to parse the threat objects. The parsed threat data objects will then appear below. You have the option to select only legitimate threat data and leave out the rest. After adding the metadata, you can proceed to create intel. The status of the ingestion can be seen in the Quick Add History side sheet. Once completed, you can view the ingested file as a report object. All the selected threat data will be visible as related objects in the Relations tab. Any further investigation can then be carried out within Cyware Intel Exchange. And that's how Quick Add Intel completely removes the need to manually fetch and enter threat data from reports, documents, or websites. Finally, we have the AI-powered Threat Intel Summarization. With this feature, users will be able to generate real-time summaries and insights on reports, campaigns, threat actors, malware, vulnerabilities, indicators of compromise, and Intel Exchange objects. This allows analysts to deliver actionable intelligence and accelerate threat response workflows, leading to faster outcomes and reducing analyst fatigue. Let's say this particular threat actor is an object of interest. In the Overview tab, there is now a new component called AI Summary where users can choose to generate an AI-powered summary of that object. Once completed, the user will receive an in-app notification. Upon selecting the threat data object, the AI summary component will now be populated with the generated summary. This will have two parts. One focuses on the information available on the threat object based on what is ingested in the platform. The second part is AI inferred insights, which includes defensive and proactive threat hunting recommendations that an analyst can directly take actions on. Users also have the option to regenerate summaries on the object, and there is a queue right next to the button that will show if there are any new updates available on the object since the last summary generation. To highlight this, tags have been added to the same object. Now, when refreshing this page, there is a new queue that reads Updated Available. This would directly indicate to the analyst that a newer version of the summary can be generated. This concludes the demonstration of Cyware's new Intel Exchange AI features. For more information, visit us at cyware.com and connect with one of our representatives.